Yadi duram gata Krishno vana shobekshanayatam aham purvam iti samsprishya remire. Sometimes Krishna would go to a distant place to see the beauty of the forest. Then all the other boys would run after him, each one saying, I shall be the first to touch Krishna. Watch me run. I shall touch him first. Aham purvam. Right? Aham, I will be purva, prior, first. The beginning, I will be the first one. In this way, they enjoyed life by repeatedly touching Krishna. That definitely is a samsprishya remire. Remire means pleasure, like Raman, satisfaction, by touching Krishna. So then Vishwanath says basically the same thing. When Krishna wandered off to see the forest, the beauty in a distance, boys would run after him shouting, I will touch Krishna first. No, I will. No, I will. In this way, they played. So this is a fact, that one can enjoy life by touching Krishna. We have the idea, which is very deeply ingrained in our consciousness, that I can enjoy life by touching Maya, by embracing Maya. This is our idea, that this will give me happiness. But the Bhagavatam is telling something else. The associates of Krishna, devotees of Krishna, they enjoy life by touching Krishna. So how can we touch Krishna? Where is Krishna?